Morning. It's a much improved morning than yesterday. Sun is just coming up behind us. Ian's getting his morning brew.
Morning.
Just packing a few things down. But yeah, we'll have much better weather today. But I'm going to get a brew on as well. I'll bring you back. Yeah, we've got some nice colours coming out of the sky now. Yeah, we're just having a very slow pack down because we're in no desperate rush to get anywhere. Well, we've got to be at Warrington station for 4 PM tonight.
Yep.
So yeah,
so
we're
it's a slow trundle along the coast.
going to follow the coast down into Liverpool and then along back to Warrington. But yeah, stunning skies.
Yeah, it's a lovely morning to wake up here, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Wind's completely dropped to what it was last night, hasn't it?
Oh, it was blowing a gale last night, wasn't it? And it chucked it down.
So yeah, we've done all right here. Right, that's us all packed away. I was pitched there, Ian's there, left no trace. Big ball in the sky this morning.
That's nice.
But yeah, final day. We'll
Yes.
push on towards Warrington, but we'll see it along the trail.
Okay, see you a bit later.
Yeah, belter of a morning.
Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah,
This is what it's all about.
getting days like this. Few and far between on this one, but our final day is going to be
So it's
okay.
the opposite from yesterday morning.
Absolutely, absolutely, mate. So if it's on the dunes, we might have to come off, eh?
Yeah.
We can't ride on this, can we?
Come out.
So this is the installation that we just passed. All the people standing on the beach. Another place. They're all placed right along the coastline. But the path is unpassable up here with sand. So we're going to take a little detour and pick up the path further round.
It only misses out this corner.
Yeah.
Joins back up again.
Morning. Right, we've picked up the Leeds-Liverpool canal again. This is going to take us into Liverpool centre, and we're going to find somewhere for a coffee. Just stopped to Ian had a bit of a squeaky chain, but fettled that, bit of oil on it.
Yeah, that's a lot better.
And I've stuck some on mine as well. Obviously yesterday's conditions and then the sand yesterday and stuff. So yeah, all running smooth. But we've got to cross over this bridge now and head back into Liverpool. Quite a rise, isn't it?
Geez, that's a hell of a lot. Does this bridge lift or something?
It will have done years ago.
Yeah. Oh, God, no, yes.
Get back on the cycle, and this is us on the coast now, isn't it? Really?
Oh, let's just have a photo. That's a nice big expanse of Mersey.
Yeah. In the sun, yeah. Right, we just stopped for 5, take a few photographs, as you do. The live buildings down there, but a lot of building work, regeneration. Isle of Man ferry terminal. just taking the slow route. Yeah. There's one little one.
Little one, huh? That looks like a tool.
Compared to the big ones, yeah.
You carry on down.
Just having a quick lunch. We stopped at this little local shop. Got some sandwiches and crisps. We just cleared the airport now, so hopefully we're going to pick up the coast sometime soon. But yeah, time is it? About 12:30?
Yeah.
Must be.
It is 12:15.
So yeah, we have to be mindful. We've got to be at the station for about 4. Yeah, we weren't expecting to carry bikes upstairs. There's quite a few of them. Right, we've stopped at the Ferry Tavern. Quick pint. Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers, yeah. Couldn't come any quicker, eh?
No.
Right, we're going to close out. We're not far from Warrington. Both got to catch trains back home in the next hour or so, but it's been a good trip.
Fantastic. Lovely third day, hasn't it?
Well, today has. We've had a mixed bag, really. The first day was, you know, it wasn't too bad, few showers and that, but...
All good days, like, but just lots of different stuff.
But yeah, it's an interesting route. And another trip in the bag. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you out sometime soon.
See ya.